Hello friends, this is Bardhaman station 10:20 p.m. Passengers have benefited a lot by providing scooters at Bardhaman stations. 13149 up Kanchan Kanya Express will arrive on platform number 1. I will go to the Alipurduar stations by this train. Anyway, somehow I sat down according to my seat number and started talking from time to time with my Nepali uncle next to me. It was not clear when that morning came. After passing Bolpur, Rampurhat, Farakka and Malda stations, the train came to Kisangani station, sometimes sleeping and sometimes talking about Darjeeling. Siliguri is the last destination of Nepali uncle and then he will go to the Darjeeling. So I took his mobile number and a selfie together. I left for my destinations. This Kanchankanya train used to go to the New Jalpaiguri stations a few days ago, but now it has changed its route and gone straight to Siliguri. The middle station is Bagdogra. It can be said that this train was built for the purpose of travel tourism. From each station, you can go to one of the shrines or the hill stations. The unique beauty of nature such as the view of innumerable rivers and mountains. The tea garden fascinates. My reservations in the DL1 coach. This coach is basically the same as the 2S seating, but there are only 20 seats in the coach. Take a look, I show you. Arriving at Alipurduar, I went to a village and after seeing the beautiful green beauty around the village, I spent some time there. It was a short video. I will make a big video about Alipurduar in future. Many thanks for watching.